Do you use Twitter? 67% of all businesses do. And guess what it means? It means they have to hire a lot of social media assistants to help them manage their Twitter accounts. Before I give you the full details, please subscribe to our channel and learn how to make money, how to become rich, how to manage your finances, how to become a millionaire and become wealthy too. Let's continue. And right here today, you can apply to become the next social media assistant working on Twitter. You will be given full training when you start, so you don't need any experience. And the businesses you work for will give you the tasks that you need to do each day. This could be replying to Twitter comments, uploading photos, or helping them get more followers. Click the link below to complete your application if you are interested. Rate is $25 per hour. Let's talk about the requirements. You need to have access to a laptop, phone, or tablet and have a reliable internet connection. You also need to know how to use one or more of the most popular social media networks like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or TikTok. Skills and background needed. These are beginner-level social media jobs, so full training is provided, and you do not need to have done any social media work before. Location: remote work online, and English speaking preferred. They are currently expanding the number of remote workers for these positions significantly. Social media workers are in huge demand worldwide right now. If you can start right away, please apply below. Click the link below to complete your application now. I am looking forward to hearing your success story. Please subscribe for more opportunities. Thanks for watching.